Top of the day, we are replacing the back plywood and the matting on all walls of this trailer, and I'm just starting to tear down. Got some glue that does not want to work with me, but that's what we're doing today. Rear door panel is off. Passenger side wall coming off. Wow, that is dry rotted. That was way easier than the rear. And all side walls are removed. I'm going to replace these two boards here. I have to remove these two boards to do that. So I gotta run and grab some wood for this. Everything else looks solid. No other dry rot on the trailer. I got measurements for all of the wood they need to cut down, but I'm going to clean up and go get some wood for that. I got those two boards torn out. I got all the boards on the walls torn out. I'm gonna run and grab 2 pieces of lumber so I can put new in there, and then start sheeting everything back in. And wood has been purchased. It's not going anywhere. Back on location, cutting the wood for the rear. One cut. And all of the wood is cut out and painting. All wall pieces are cut. Finishing up the floorboards. I gotta paint this backside and let it dry and then install it. First day done on this. Board has bested me. So I need to get a bottle jack that I can put sideways, because it is just wedging itself against that. So I'm gonna get a bottle jack, wedge sideways, put it in there, and then pump it in and get that board in, and then finish the sideboards or the sidewalls tomorrow. But I got everything cut out for it. She has the matting. She provided the matting, so that's good. It was a cut for the rear already. Today's done. I'll be back here tomorrow. There we go. Just took a 12-ton bottle jack. I wonder if I need to turn it. It doesn't go any direction. Oh, you beauty. It's easy with the right tools. We're out. And the last inch. Got it on there. See if I can. It's on the cross member. Let's see if it's lined up on the front. Beauty. Lined up on the front perfectly. Cool. All right, let's get the other board in. All right, I got the outside board. I got to trim about 1/2 inch off of it, and then it slides right in. All right, boards are in. Let's fasten them down. Well, we've ran out of materials. I need to caulk the back of this, make it safe for trailering. Like 18 inches of 1/2 inch plywood, which is unfortunate. But I'm gonna panel this here for her, because we're just like 6 feet short on that padding. Pads are back in for the tack room, and pad is back in for the hauling area. Ordering more decking, and I'm gonna put some on there. I'm gonna order different fasteners with bigger heads so it holds on to a little better. I have adhesive behind it, but I'm gonna swap these fasteners out with bigger head fasteners when I come back and when I install the other stuff. But she's safe to haul, and there's no sharp edges on the walls or anything. But this one's done for today. I'm on to the next.